Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Calendly confirmation page. This is a really useful feature if you want to control what your invites see right after they book a meeting with you, whether that's a custom thank you message or redirecting them to your own website. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you'll see all the meetings or events that you currently have set up in your account. Now click on any one of these events. When you do, the right side of your screen will populate with more detailed information about that specific event. This panel shows you all the settings and options available for customizing how that particular meeting type functions. Look for the button labeled More Options and click it. This will open up additional configuration choices. From this menu, select Confirmation Page. This is where all the magic happens for controlling what your invites experience after they schedule time with you. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see two main options presented to you. The first is Display Confirmation Page, which shows Calendly's default confirmation screen. The second option is Redirect to an external site, which is particularly powerful if you've built your own custom confirmation page on your website or landing page platform. If you want to use your own external confirmation page, go ahead and click Redirect to an external site. Once you select this, you'll notice a field appears labeled Link Name. This is where you'll paste the full URL of your custom confirmation page. Make sure you input the complete link so the redirect works properly. Right below that, you'll see a status toggle that lets you turn this redirect on or off. This is handy if you want to temporarily disable the redirect without deleting the link entirely. You can simply switch it off and then back on whenever you need it. If you have multiple redirect options or want to add another confirmation page for different purposes, you can click Add New Link. This allows you to create several redirect options and manage them all from the same screen, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Once you've finished making all your customizations and you're happy with how everything is set up, click Save Changes at the bottom. This ensures all your modifications are stored and will take effect immediately for anyone booking that event going forward. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Calendly confirmation page to better suit your business needs and brand experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.